welcome to today's vlog. Is that a word? Vlog? Is that actually in the dictionary? Vlog? Right, so it is. So I keep getting the question, Miles, what's your plan, dude? Here's my plan. In about 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna leave here in El Paso to heading for Bangs, Texas, where I'll meet up with Larry. We'll pack up my stuff, and then we will head from Bangs to New Florence, Missouri. That's like a 10-hour drive. Good Lord. Looking forward to that one. Where I will spend the next 5 to 6 weeks building out the van.
Yay!
Really, no excitement there whatsoever. Really, Miles, contain your exuberation. Then once I complete the van build, then I will head from New Florence to Boston, where I will pick up my stuff from storage. Thank God. Hang out in Cambridge with my friends Rachel and Paul, and then head down to the Cape Cod, to see a friend, and then start my journey southwards towards from Boston to New York City to hang out with my friends in New York City, which I haven't seen in a pig's age, and I need to get together with my girls. Not a sexual reference. For coffee and dinner and, chat. And I mean, this is like this is my peeps, right? Aye. From there, I'll head to Philadelphia to hang out with a friend. From Philadelphia to Raleigh, North Carolina, to keep a promise. And then from Raleigh, North Carolina to Miami to keep yet another promise. And then Miami to, at that point, what should be mid-April-ish, May, somewhere in that time frame. I'll probably have to come back to do about 2 weeks of shooting with Max. Yeah, you see that little link right there? Because I'll need to do about 2 weeks of shooting with Max, Emperor Max, to get some more material from him. And then I'm heading directly to Portland, Oregon to start my first actual story, and that would be Amelia's Stories. And then I'll head down the coast to San Diego. That is the plan. That should put me at about mid-June or July. So if all goes well, somewhere about mid-June or July, if again all goes well, then that would be the plan. So that it's basically, again, El Paso to Bangs, Bangs to New Florence to Boston, Boston to New York City to Philadelphia, Philadelphia to Raleigh to Miami to Lubbock to Portland, Oregon, and then finally Portland, Oregon to San Diego. All right, so there you have it. Thanks very much for watching. I know it's a sort of a short plan, but that's the plan that I have in my mind. If you'd like to support these videos, please click the support option down below that works best for you. I believe that's subs, likes, gifts, cash. It's all good, baby. That said, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye!